Are you always confused about BRS questions? You keep on forgetting when to add, when to reduce, and in the examination pressure you lose easy marks? Then this video is for you. Watch till the end and I'll give you one Brahmastra with which you will never make a mistake in bank reconciliation question and you will score out in a BRS question. Watch till the end, do like this video and share it with your friends as well. So now what is to be done? For example, the question has given cash book balance. You write the cash book balance as it is. If it is a favorable balance, write it in plus. If it is a negative balance or overdraft balance, write it in minus. Whatever we have learned from starting from cash book, exactly opposite we can do from bank book side. Okay. Now, if cash book is given, if positive balance plus, negative balance minus, that is what you write. Then after this, what you will do, you will check what are those items which have only been debited either by the bank or by the business, or which have only been credited either by the bank or by the business. What do I mean by that? If it is only debited by one party, you will minus, and if it is only credited by one party, you will add. All debits minus, all credit add. This is when you start from cash book. Exactly opposite you will do when you start from passbook. So let's prove this with an example. Balance as per cash book plus 2,40,000 because it's a favorable balance. Checks issued but not presented in the bank. Checks issued means we have credited. Has bank debited? No. So we will add because it is only credit. All single credit, add. All single debits, minus. Checks deposited in bank but not cleared. We have debited. Bank has not done anything. Debited means minus. Bank charges amounts to 300. Bank has debited, minus. Bank has debited, we have not done anything. Interest credited by bank, bank has credited, so what? Plus. So now if you do this, you get 286,950. Sir, what if we start from passbook? If you start from passbook, 286,950, exactly opposite. If you are starting with passbook, whatever is debited by one party only, add. Whatever is credited by one party only, less. So what if it is overdraft? Just convert this sign. And that will be more than sufficient for you. Okay. 286,950, then checks issued but not presented. We have credited. Credited means minus. So minus 1,36,000. Then checks deposited in bank but not cleared. We have debited in cash book. Only debit has happened. So add. Then bank charges 300. Only one party has debited. Only bank has debited. Add. Interest credited. Only bank has credited. Minus 1,250. You will get the balance as per cash book. Follow this technique and let me know whether it works or not. If you have any question where this is not working, please put it down in the comment section. I will tell you where you have gone wrong. Following this technique, I'll assure you, you will get 8 out of 8 marks or 10 out of 10 marks in your examination. Try this and also let your friends know. Share this video with maximum number of your friends so that even they are helped. Thank you.